Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Firefox browser on Oppo A78 5G. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside we'll need to find Firefox. Then select it and click on the install. When it's ready, you should be able to open it. Right here we can customize the browser with different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings, read the privacy notice, and finally click on start browsing. Right here open any website, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.